What is good, boys? Today I got fucking edged. It is what it is, though. So yeah, we did have a Drake candle, as you can see, because we had Powell jumping at 10 a.m. And so yeah, let's go over my daily bias. So I was bullish, had a bullish bias. We had sponsored London lows. He traded into previous day low, like a swept it, and also inside this 30-minute fair value gap, and we got this presence higher. We have BTC high and an on-field daily fair value gap higher, and also the Asia and London highs stacked from yesterday. So if we're going to be bullish, I was expecting this hourly fair value gap to hold, and I this is what I marked out, what I wanted to see at open, and that is exactly what fucking happened. I just didn't really get an entry. Sucks, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, I wrote down dream scenarios straight towards hourly fair value gaps with the lows and then long from there. So as you can see, if we go here, boom, we ended up sweeping the lows inside of the hourly fair value gap, and then we just fucking pumped the close. It closed right here, so there was no entry there. I guess that you could have taken the 30-second, but I didn't even see it honestly, and I would just rather wait for the 1 minute. There was also 2 minute, but because it is a Euro swing, you don't need to wait for the highest time frame inverse. I just can take like the lower one. So in this case, I was going to take the 1 minute. And sadly, I just didn't get an entry. And then, yeah, so then from here, oh, give me a bit. Let me just get a yes here and then Q. Okay, and then here, there was this meg short that I couldn't take on my fundeds because the news rule, there was again Powell jumping at 10, so I just couldn't trade like super close to it. So we ended up getting an SMT here with previous high. Like around here. You can see I took it and Q didn't. We had an unfilled 5 minute fair value gap right here. Uh, we also got a resweep of the high with another SMT right there, and then boom, we got this 1 minute inverse. Um, and I took this on my eval. I ended up making around 1,000. The only problem is that I did end up taking a dump trade after on the eval, so I kind of lost the profits. But as you can see here at 954 right there, yeah, I made 960, and then I ended up pretty much blowing the profits away later on a down trade, which I will show later, and I'll explain why it wasn't a good trade, even though mechanically it wasn't too bad. And yeah, so there was that, and the reason that I couldn't take it on my founder is because imagine, look, he take profit at 956, imagine he take profit at 958, then I would have lost pretty much all the profits, right? Because you cannot take a trade 2 minutes before and after news. So that's why like I didn't want to really take the risk, and it's kind of a gamble if it's gonna hit before 958 or not. So yeah. So took down my evils, then boom, we had this fucking take to the upside, direct candle right there. And then we ended up tapping this 4 fair value gap, also now with fair value gap. We kind of had an SMT with all of the highs here. As you can see, NQ just took them and NQ didn't. And we had a big leg that needed to rebalance. So boom, we got this 2 minute fair value gap right here. We got a V-shape inverse, so that is when I went short, stop around there and take profit at the discounted 5 minute fair value gap. We had two, so I went break even at this one, and then full take profit was right here. And as you can see, I got fucking edged. It got super close to it. Sucks, but it is what it is. Just gonna move on and gotta accept it. And yeah, and then I also did take this on my eval. Again, I got stop break even on it, and I found it. I'll show here the executions, and yeah. Okay, okay, the P&L is the same. Okay, and then on my eval, I took another trade that wasn't good. So we had this on the field 50 minute value up here, and then we got a resweep of the high, and then we got a 1 minute inverse. here. So that is why what I took on only on my evils for a reason. Um, it's just not a good trade. We distributed over like 400 points, I think. Yeah, look, 400 points. We already got the rebalance play, and so like market is just like exhausted, I guess. Like it doesn't, like I don't know, it's just like too, like it already met the objective of the day. So this trade just really isn't good, even though mechanically it doesn't look too bad. But yeah, and then look, we just ended up kind of chopping the rest of the day. And I wouldn't even trade PM honestly, cause look at the shape, bro. So yeah, pretty decent day. Super unfortunate that I got stopped at break even after it edged my take profit, but it is what it is, you know, nothing I can do about it. And so yeah, that is it for today. So peace out, boys.